Hey, in this video we're looking at blue paint colors and how their undertones shift from blue-violet to blue-green. Looking here, you can see that Sherwin-Williams Upward is the most blue-violet, Sherwin-Williams Rain-Washed is the most blue-green, and Tradewind is sitting in the middle. Now when you look at those three, Tradewind appears to be the bluest, the most true. But if we compare it to Niebla Azul, we can see, you know what, there might just be a little wink of green in there. Super subtle. It's the kind of color that it is going to look darn blue on your walls. You might not even see green, but if you're sensitive to green, no, you're probably still not going to see green. Now, when you look at these, you might go, okay, Kylie, I totally see how that's blue. That is green and that is violet. Well, again, if you're not sure exactly where a color sits, grab the color that you're thinking it might be. So I grabbed Sherwin-Williams Softened Green. So Softened Green shows me how blue Rain-Washed really is. So even though it is more green than Tradewind and more green than Upward, still a blue. On the other hand, I grabbed Benjamin Moore Misty Memories. There we go. So Misty Memories is a violet with a blue undertone, and we can see how Upward does cater to blue. Does it have a very strong violet? Yes, it certainly does, but it caters to blue over violet when you compare it to an actual violet paint color. So there you go. There's blue.